Ah, number 11, Papa Tops. Controlling the ball. Papa Tops now, nasa 3-point territory area. Pass to Alto Tocayo. Enriquez, nasa corner, tumila, wala. Pass to Lopez, rebound by Lopez. Lopez, harap kay Enriquez. Lopez, nakalibre, pass to number 99, wala. Rebound by Enriquez. Ay, Papa Tops na naman! Good for 2 points by Papa Tops. Remaining time, last 2 minutes. Melgar, lost ball. Balik ang bola. Yes. Wala. Labas ang bola. Labas ang bola. Sukayo to Alas by Malasin. Pass to Enriquez, nasa ilalim. Nice pick by Enriquez. Good for 2 points by Enriquez. Ay, si Papa Tops, seryoso sa laro si Papa Tops. Yan, si Abarintos, oh, haras ba Rick, oh. Wala. Nice one by Melgar. Papa Tops now. Papa Tops, ganda na ball. Uy, din Maritzo. May kasamang foul. Pa. Warning. Kung di pa pinapaul yun, shoot yun. Okay. Top number 11 from the baseline. Naghanap ng kapasahan. Pass to Tocayo. Wala. Rebound by Melgar. Melgar to Lopez. Paul. Good. Tocayo. Enriquez now, number 28. Nakalibre. Yes. Good for 2 points by Enriquez. Lopez, number 11, nasa 3-point area, tumira, wala. Rebound by number 0. Pass to Papa Tops now, nakalibre na naman, wala. Sayang. Melgar, tumira, wala. Rebound by number 0. Pass to Papa Tops to Tocayo. No, good for 2 points. Nice pass by Papa Tops. Enriquez, rebound by Enriquez. Number 0 to Tocayo. Nasa lalim, nakalibre. Yes, good for 2 points by Tocayo. Melgar. Dumiretso, wala.